What's going on, guys and gals? Talk Jock here, up $130 on the day. Really slow day. I didn't take that many trades at all. I think five trades. It's just a really slow day, and it's summer, so you're gonna have that. So out of the gates, I wasn't really on the gap list. We were kind of in our chat room, kind of watching the curl here on the daily. ZN is a name that's known to get going. So uh, kind of popped up in the beginning. We finally got a candle of, a little downtrend right here. We're looking for the next candle over candle in the 1 minute to see if we can get that next move up. So I took 3,000 shares at 437 in anticipation of that break, and so did the chat room. We got a quick pop up to 443, and as it was coming back down, I sold, and the rest of the chat room, this was a Warrior Trading trade right here. The rest of the chat room sold too, and you could see the selling that they brought. So it's you got to know how to trade these chat rooms. You got to be able to get in before everybody else and get out before everybody else, because you could have gotten washed out, 20 cents. That could have been a bad start to the day. My next trade was KTOV. This was another chat room play. Kind of a sucky daily chart. They did have some news, but you can see it popped up in the morning, sold off, sold off, sold off, and then we got a candle over candle, and that's what we were watching. Sold off, consolidated around the VWAP, and then we were looking for that next candle to make a new high, and in this case, it was actually four candles in a row that lined up for the break of 160. So when 160 was breaking, we went long. Got a bad fill. 162, I got in, got a quick pop, then it was coming right back down, and I don't like to see that. I want to see the move continue. So as it was coming back down, I sold, made a penny on it, $30. MBRX, this was a 5 minute candlestick play. Not the cleanest setup. You kind of had a selling off, a kind of a consolidation candle, and then the break of the previous 5 minute candles. This isn't the cleanest setup, but we tried it anyway. We were kind of desperate in the morning, not a lot going on, so we gave it a go. I took 3,000 shares at 219, broke that high, got a quick pop up. I sold really quick, just because the setup wasn't the cleanest, and I grabbed 3 cents off at $90. My next trade was CBay. This one is just dumbfounding me, actually. Had news yesterday, and you can see this huge spike all the way almost to $8, and then it sold off completely. Then after hours yesterday, it has it has news that there's gonna be an offering. So what does it do today? Runs up to $7. Explain that one to me. So anyway, CBay. This one just kind of rolling around, rising, and then all of a sudden it got this quick pop here. And Luke identified this one. He's in Raging Bull. Raging Bull is formerly known as Jason Bond Picks. So they changed their name. So he runs the day trade chat room. He saw this jump, 25 cents, 30 cents in the matter of minutes. So we saw that. I went short 1,000 shares. I was trying to get it, over 50, but I just couldn't get the fill that I wanted. Went short right here, just looking for that next curl down, and I covered for 20 bucks. So DCTH, this one, I think I was the first one to identify the news on this. I put it in my Discord, which you all are invited to come. This is us hanging out. There's still 9 people online, even though it's way after hours. But this is the Discord chat. You can come over. It's free right now. Enjoy it. Uh, just a good group of people trading, trying to make money, trying to help each other out. The link for the Discord chat is down in the description below. But anyway, DCTH, they had patent news. And patent news isn't the strongest thing in the world, but this is a penny stock that just loves to pop. And I identified that from Benzinga and Trade Exchange, and I put it in StockTwits. I put it in my Discord, put it in all the chats that I subscribe to, and I got in at right here, 13.42, and got a quick pop up, and just didn't hold. I held it for like 6 minutes, just didn't do anything. I was like, screw it. Got rid of it for break even. But then, don't know why, later on the day, decided to do the move that I was hoping would do earlier. But, whatever. I was only hoping to make a couple pennies on it. It took 5,000 shares, so a couple pennies would have been $100. So HOG had some bad news. They had a bad earnings report. This one was a TV play, actually. You can kind of see here on the 1 minute. It's kind of really hard to see, actually, but you kind of see it hits the top of the Bollinger Band here, sells back off, and then we have another pop here, but it's lower than this pop, so it's kind of now starting a downtrend. At the same time, CNBC says they're going to have a segment on Harley Davidson, which no doubt would have been negative. So I went short when I heard that they were going to have it up. Got a quick breakdown. It only took 1,000 shares, 48 to 48.26 to 48.24. So I made $20 on the trade. Blah blah blah. But it was in an uptrend just a moment ago, so I didn't really want to hold it. It looked like it was going to break down, but I'm glad I covered because it just went up from there, and it just didn't, the TV segment didn't push this thing down. So that was all my trades for today. $130. Nothing to write home about, but I'll take $130 any day rather than sitting behind a desk at some job I hate. So again, as always, the chat rooms I subscribe to personally, which is Raging Bull, Jason Bond Picks, Warrior Trading, those are down in the description below. If you have any questions on those, feel free to contact me and I'll answer any questions you may have on those. Also, you're invited to the Discord chat. It is free, like I was saying. Come on in. I am in the voice alerts channel here during market hours, calling out what I see and hoping to help everyone make some money. So right now we are just shooting the breeze, answering any questions for new traders or any trader that might have any question right now. So come on in, everyone is invited, and that is all for now, and I'll see you all in the next video.